colors. Your entire topo sheet is filled with colors only. You see different types of colors in your topo sheet?
Yes, sir.
Yellow, green, red, black, blue, brown. Can you see?
Yes, sir.
All these colors represent different features. Okay? And by seeing the colors only, you take out occupation of the people those who are living, what they are doing it. Okay? Second, you take out transport.
Yes, sir.
You take out seasonal type of rainfall is happening or not. What kind of region it is.
Yes, sir.
Everything you take out by judging the colors only. Okay? The first color which you see over there is yellow color.
Yes, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
A big part of yellow color is there.
Yes, sir.
The yellow color means cultivated area where agriculture can be done or possible. Enough? Yellow color, if you are seeing it, that means it is a cultivated area where agriculture is possible. Okay? So if you see a large part of yellow color, so what is the occupation of the people over there?
Agriculture.
Agriculture. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Second color is what is there? Black. Can you see black color? Okay. All the names of the cities are in black color.
Yes, sir.
Along with that, you can see big thick lines of black color.
Yes, sir.
Can you see thick lines? They are your dry seasonal streams. What they are? Dry seasonal streams means the streams which are filled with water during rainy season only. Now this is the best example of telling that the region received seasonal rainfall. If the question is there, okay, how can you tell that the region receives seasonal rainfall? So first we can see dry seasonal streams in black color. Now they are in black color. Why? Because they are dry. If they have water, then there will be blue line in it. Are you getting it? But blue line is not there, it is black in color, and those black lines will be thick. That means it is a dry seasonal stream. And a stream which is filled with water during rainy season only. That's why we can tell that the region receives seasonal rainfall. If there will be high rainfall or if there will be throughout the year they have rainfall, there will be no dry seasonal stream. Are you getting it? Okay. So black thick line, dry seasonal streams. You can see black thin lines also. Thin lines in black color. They are your drainage pattern. What they are? Drainage pattern. Different type of drainage, that means the flowing of water when rainfall occurs. You must have seen that water stored some places, or water washed out. It moves out in rainy season when rain occurs. And when it dried out, it leaves its mark. That is your drainage pattern. Am I clear or not? Okay. Apart from that, you can see different types of heights written over there in black color. The first is your this one triangle you can see. Now this and a height will be written over here 280 or different types of numbers will be written over there. Now these are your triangulated height. What it is? Triangulated height. It is the height of a triangulated station above the sea level. Can you see triangle over there? Triangulated height. Now that means it is the height of an entire area above the sea level. Now, if the triangle is pointing upward, then it is a major height. Okay, but if the triangle is pointing downwards, it is a minor height. Am I clear? If the triangle is pointing upward, it's a major height. If the triangle is pointing downwards, it is a minor height. Okay. Secondly, you can see a spot and a height is written over there. Can you see? This is known as spot height. What it is known as? Spot height. Now, spot height is the height of a particular area or a point above the sea level. This is the height of an entire area. This is the height of a particular point where you are standing or from where you are measuring above the sea level.